Hi, how are you? It's chicken curry today. We are making a Bengali style thin gravy chicken with potatoes, also called aloo diye murgi jhol. You'll see that the potatoes in the dish are very sought after. Simple recipe, turns out delicious. You'll be able to enjoy this jhol with steamed rice. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Marinate the chicken 700 grams. Mix well and keep aside for at least 30 minutes. Put some cuts on the leg pieces. Peel and halve the potatoes. Fry them in mustard oil on medium heat till they get a light color. Remove from heat and keep aside. Remove some oil from the pan. Add in the marinated chicken in the remaining hot oil and cook briefly to seal in the juices. Take them out and let them rest. In a clean pan, add in the oil from potato frying and a little, if needed, to get 3 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, and a few peppercorns to temper the oil. I'll add 2 medium onions that are thinly sliced and fry them. Let me season it with half a teaspoon of sugar and a bit of salt. Then cook, stirring continuously till the onions turn brown. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix well and add 1/4 cup of water to lower the temperature. Add the remaining marinade into the pan. Now cook till the raw smell of the ginger, garlic and onions go away. Next, the fried potatoes. Cook for a minute and then add paste of 1 large tomato. Cook again till the oil separates. Add in the chicken pieces. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Add in green chilies according to taste. Mix well. Pour in hot water as required to cover the chicken pieces. Bring to a boil. Cover and cook till the potato and chicken are done. Turn off the heat. Add in half tablespoon of ghee and a large pinch of garam masala. Mix well. Serve it hot with steamed rice. Enjoy!